हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज मोहित अग्रवाल हियर एंड आईसीएसआई ने एक इंपॉर्टेंट जो है नोटिफिकेशन आप लोगों के लिए लाया है। फॉलोइंग मेरे को जो प्राइमा फेसी लग रहा है, दे आर फॉलोइंग द फुटस्टेप्स ऑफ आईसीएआई। आइए देखते हैं ये अनाउंसमेंट आखिर है क्या। फॉरवर्ड ऑफ जून 20 एग्जाम सेशन फीस टू दिसंबर 20 एग्जाम सेशन। As the students are aware, the June 20, I am going to read out this notification to you, interpret it, and then give my views also. As the students are aware, the June 20 session of CS examination is now rescheduled in the month of August 2020 due to pandemic. In view of this crisis, some of the students enrolled for June 20 session may wish to appear in December 20 session instead of appearing in June 20. Now, ICSI is saying, institute is saying, that some students want to appear in December 20 instead of. But what is the reason behind it? The reason behind it is the fear of pandemic. Students may be concerned about the examination fees already paid by them for June 20 session. Whatever feedback I get from students, to be very honest, the main concern is the fear of pandemic rather than the exam fees. Let us read further. In order to facilitate such students, institute has decided as under to allow the students to opt for December 20 instead of June 20 session, which means opt-out scheme has been given. Just like CI did few days ago, ICSI is also giving an opt-out scheme that students who do not wish to opt for June 20 may opt for December 20 and their examination fees will be carried forward. Point 2 says examination fees will be carried forward. Point number 3, students desirous of enrolling for additional number of modules in December 20, those who want to add on the modules, they can do so, and additional exam fees will be charged for the additional modules for December 20. They are not allowing to add the additional modules for June 20 session. Partial carry forward of exam fees shall not be allowed. Example has also been given to interpret it. If any student has applied for appearing in 2 modules of June 20 and now he wishes to appear only in 1 module of June 20 and another module in December 20, that will not be allowed. I am unable to digest it. Students willing to avail benefit to carry forward examination fees from June 20 to December 20, which means what institute is doing is June 20, those who do not want to appear at all can opt out and can appear in December 20. Now, if you have filled up June 20 only 1 module form, then in December 20 you can fill up additional module form, another module form or another module form if you are professional, and the additional fees will be charged. But if you have filled up both the module form and in executive or all the module form, 3 module form in professional, then no examination fees will be charged if you give in December instead of June. But partial carry forward is not allowed, which means if you want to opt out for a particular module, opt out option for a particular module is given. हिंदी में बोले आर या पार, या तो दो या मत दो, as per ICSI. Now those who want to avail this opt-out facility, the entire list of procedures have been given. These steps need to be followed. And students may please note that once the option for carry forward of exam is taken, declaration form is submitted, it shall be treated as final. Once you opt out, then it shall be treated as final. You will have to appear in December 20 only if you fill up the opt-out form. The facility will be available from 20th June to 30th June. It's a one-time facility which will not be available in future. So till 30th of June this facility is available. Now let me tell you what happened yesterday. Supreme Court directed CBSE board, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने सीबीएसई बोर्ड को डायरेक्शन दिया, प्लीज कंसिडर scrapping the entire examination. Supreme Court directed this, consider scrapping of the entire examination, and whatever papers are left, you mark it on internal assessment basis. ISC board has already given such option to students. What ISC board has done, that if a student wants to opt out of the examination, they can opt out for the examination. They will be marked on internal assessment basis, and those students who really want to give the examination, they can come and give the examination. But here is the punch. ISC board has allowed the opt-out facility till the preceding day, till one day before the examination starts. Which means is examination starting from tomorrow, student can even opt out day before the examination. Now you tell me, if I am a student and I have to write paper in August, I have ample time to prepare for August term. But my only fear is that whether my area will be under containment zone in August, or the examination center will be under containment zone in August, or will the situation get more worsen in August. So being a student or being a human being, I cannot predict what is going to happen in August. How can I opt out on 30th of June only? How can I decide that I have to opt out on 30th of June? The point is that the exams are in August. So even if a student who is not prepared, he has ample time to prepare for the August term. Only problem is the fear of pandemic, and that we are not being able to anticipate how the situation will be like in August month. As of now, I want to give the exam in August. So I don't see any student should, if I was a student, I would surely not opt out. If I was a student, I would not opt out. Because how can I foresee what is going to happen in August? It's impossible for me to foresee that. So this facility would have been meaningful had the students been given the choice for an extended period, maybe a week to go for exam and have the choice, then we can make a decision. But now 2 months to go for exam and we have to make a choice. How can I make a decision? So I think this facility should be extended at least 1 week preceding to exams. Students should be given the option. And I know that institute is taking care of everything, and institute is being proactive in coming forward with these notifications. And I hope so that institute will take care of this matter also and extend this opt-out facility for a period. I know institute also got limitations and they will have to fix the centers, and accordingly the centers need to be fixed based on the number of examinees. I do understand that. But from students' viewpoint also, if you think that how can I decide what will happen in August, that is also absolutely correct. तो यहां पर क्या होना है, जो मेरा एग्जामिनेशन फीस दिया हुआ है, स्टूडेंट, अगर मैं स्टूडेंट होता, मेरा एग्जामिनेशन फीस दिया हुआ अगस्त में, तो मैं प्रिपेयर्ड हो ही, अब माहौल ठीक हो जाता है अगस्त तक तो मैं जाऊंगा एग्जाम देना, और नहीं होता है तो मैं नहीं जाऊंगा, ज्यादा से ज्यादा मेरे एग्जामिनेशन फीस ही तो जाना है, ठीक है यार, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. तो दिस थिंकिंग शुड बी रेसिप्रोकल ऑल्सो. ठीक है, स्टूडेंट का रुपया बर्बाद हो, इससे अच्छा है कि इंस्टीट्यूट का ज्यादा से ज्यादा सेंटर का रेंट जाएगा, वो चलता है. इंस्टीट्यूट कैन आई गेस अफोर्ड दैट. तो आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट दिस स्कीम मेरे लिए एज अ स्टूडेंट बेनिफिशियल है. एंड स्टूडेंट शुड कीप ऑन स्टडिंग and should take a call only day or two before the exams. Thank you. Bye bye.